everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Desiree with the Typical Budget. I just wanted to give you all my budget by paycheck update. Well, not an update, but the results for the first paycheck for the month of August, which was from August the 12th through the 28th. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Also, if you've recently subscribed to my channel, thanks for subscribing and thanks for joining me again. As well as the people that's already subscribed to my channel, of course, welcome back and thanks for supporting me. When it comes to the income, I did budget off of $1,922.50. When it comes to the bills, of course, I split the rent payment in half. The rent is $725 as of right now, but in January it will go up to $745. So I did withdraw $362 from the bank for the rent, and now I just need to go get a money order and mail the payment in. So $362. When it comes to the electric, I always try to round to the nearest dollar. So I budgeted for $133, and that's how much I paid. When it comes to AT&T, I budgeted for the exact amount, which was $211.68. And my bill for next month is the same amount, shockingly. When it comes to LCU, I did budget for $759, but I ended up paying $18.59. Now, if you watched any of the previous videos, you would know that any of the bills that are normally in this section, which are the main bills that I need to pay, are almost exact. So $725.27. When it comes to care credit, that's one of those bills that I did add in. It was due on the 1st, so I went ahead and added that in. And I just wanted to go ahead and get rid of it since it did drop my credit score about 7 points, which I didn't like. So I went ahead and took the money from my health cash envelope. Well, not the cash envelope, but it was on a card. So I went ahead and took the remaining balance of $192.69 and I paid it off. When it comes to emergency funds, I did budget for $211.31, and I didn't add anything else to that account. For cash envelopes, I budgeted for $260. I ended up spending $428.61, which is way too much money for me. When it comes to sinking funds, I budgeted for $165, but I noticed a couple days ago that it wasn't $165 when I added everything up. It was actually $145. So I had to use some whiteout and rewrite that in. When it comes to my headphones, I did spend not 665 cents, but $65.84. When it comes to birthday, which I budgeted for, or was attempting to budget for, $200, but I ended up spending $282.88. When it comes to just in case, I budget the remainder of the money that was left over after I made sure that the other bills was paid, which was $54.39. But when it comes to just in case, the actual amount was $675.07. And most of those things were for other family members that needed Lysol and disinfectant spray, Clorox wipes, and other things. If you've seen the previous video, which I will link a picture, that way you can go back and watch, you'll see exactly what happened. And if you total everything up, you get $2,726.67. And when it comes to the remaining amount, there's no remaining amount. That amount is negative $804.17, but that's perfectly fine. This will not happen again. I did leave myself a little note at the bottom that says, ask self, could I save this before buying? Which is me asking myself, could you save that money that you're going to spend, or do you really need to buy this? And then I'll base my decision on where the money is going to actually go. My next video, which I should have been did this, so my next video will be showing you all of these things that I got from the Black Collaboration sale. So you'll be seeing what's in here, 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 here. Yes, some of these things haven't been opened yet. You got this one, this one, this one, and this one here, which I had to double check to make sure that it wasn't bent, since my mailman decided to stuff it in the mailbox, and the mailbox isn't that big at all. Also, here's a sneak peek when it comes to one of the things that I got. It's from XQuisite. Let me make sure that I say her name right. I think it's XQuisite Soul. Let me try to find her packaging, but I think it's XQuisite Soul. Yeah, it's XQuisite Soul. So I got this from XQuisite Soul during the Black Collaboration sale. Let me see if I can zoom out and kind of move all of this out of the way, and I'll just cover the budget page up. So I'll show you all what's in this bag, since I already have it out. Now, I haven't looked at it myself. Let's see if I can open it without ripping the sticker. So we have this die cut, which she is gorgeous, especially with the purplish hair. And I'm just trying to make room for myself here. Okay, so that should look a little better. So we have that die cut. We have this weekly kit, and I love red. It's my favorite color. And we have this one here, which, I mean, gold goes with anything, which is the bomb, by the way. So I can't wait to actually use these. And you have this one here. And this is the last one. I'm trying to decide if I want to break the videos up into 2 parts. I know when it comes to sticker hauls, they can get pretty long. So I'm just deciding if I want to break them up into 2 parts, or if I could keep them at least 15 minutes or 12 minutes a piece. That would be great as well. But that's all I wanted to show. I just wanted to show you all my budget results from the first part of July, and show you this kit here on my page. So I hope you have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and get back to work now. Bye.